The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market as a robust and versatile option for adults seeking a reliable, high-performance electric bike. With its impressive specifications and thoughtful design, the M1 Pro promises an exhilarating riding experience whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or simply enjoying a weekend ride. At the heart of the Aipas M1 Pro is its powerful 1800W peak motor, which provides ample power to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. The bike can reach speeds of up to 32 miles per hour, giving riders the thrill of speed alongside the practicality of efficient commuting. The motor's responsiveness is commendable, allowing for smooth acceleration, which is particularly useful when navigating busy urban environments or tackling steep inclines. This motor's performance is complemented by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This means riders can enjoy extended journeys without the anxiety of running out of power prematurely. One of the standout features of the Aipas M1 Pro is its versatility in riding modes. Riders can choose between electric mode, pedal assist mode, and traditional cycling, offering flexibility for different situations and rider preferences. The pedal assist mode provides a boost while allowing for a more natural biking experience, making it easier to tackle long distances or intense climbs without overexerting oneself. This feature is especially beneficial for those who want to maintain their fitness while enjoying the convenience of an electric bike. The bike's frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, which strikes a balance between durability and lightweight design. This construction not only contributes to the bike's overall sturdiness but also makes it easier to maneuver, especially in urban settings or when navigating tight spaces. The adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate a wide range of rider heights, promoting comfort during longer rides. Additionally, the Aipas M1 Pro features a sleek and modern aesthetic, available in multiple colors that appeal to various styles. One area where the M1 Pro truly excels is its suspension system. The bike is equipped with a front fork suspension that absorbs shocks and bumps from rough terrain, providing a smoother ride. This feature enhances comfort, particularly for those who enjoy off-road adventures or live in areas with poorly maintained roads. The rear suspension adds further stability and decreases the impact felt during rides, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and trail riding. Safety features are another important aspect of the Aipas M1 Pro. The bike is fitted with front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power, crucial for managing high speeds. The braking system is responsive, ensuring that riders can come to a stop quickly and safely, even in emergency situations. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated LED lights for enhanced visibility during night rides, which is essential for urban commuting. User feedback has highlighted the bike's ease of assembly, with most owners reporting that they were able to set it up within an hour of receiving it. The inclusion of a detailed instruction manual helps to streamline this process, making it accessible even for those who may not be particularly handy. The overall build quality has been praised, with many users noting that it feels solid and well-constructed. However, like any product, the Aipas M1 Pro has a few minor drawbacks. The bike's weight is on the heavier side due to its robust construction and powerful motor, which could pose challenges for some riders, especially when lifting it onto a bike rack or upstairs. Additionally, while the battery range is impressive, some users have expressed a desire for a more extensive range, particularly for long-distance touring. In terms of pricing, the Aipas M1 Pro is positioned competitively within the market. Given its quality components, powerful motor, and thoughtful design, it offers substantial value for those looking to invest in a reliable electric bike. In conclusion, the Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is a strong contender for anyone in the market for an electric bike that combines performance, comfort, and versatility. Its powerful motor, excellent suspension system, and safety features